Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you that how you can increase the font size in Windows 10. So firstly go to Windows and go to settings. After coming to settings you will see an option called ease of access. Go to ease of access. Here you will see an option called make text bigger. Okay, then you can increase the font size, then click on apply. As you can see the font size has been increased. So if you go to the desktop button, if you want to go to this PC, as you can see the size has been increased. So if you want to increase this little too much, you can increase it and click on apply. As you can see the text size has been increased. So then if you go to file explorer, as you can see the size of the text has been increased. So this is how you can increase the font size of Windows 10. Thank you guys. Thanks.